From salt marshes and mudflats to floodplains, billabongs, rivers and lakes, wetlands take many forms, as do the animals that inhabit them. The biggest and most ferocious of these is the saltwater crocodile. This fearsome creature lies still in the murky waters, waiting to ambush prey with the strongest bite on the planet. On the other hand, the black swan is a graceful vegetarian who glides across the water to nibble at weeds and algae. The comb-crested jacana is light as a feather as it plucks its way across floating lily pads. The Asia kingfisher simply dazzles in its brilliant blue and orange plumage, while the eastern long-necked turtle squirts a stinky liquid to put off predators. Ew.